Hi there, myself Harikriya. So today's topic is how to become an HR intern in inSAKE Solutions. First of all, you should update your resume, tailor your resume with relevant skills or part-time jobs you have had or any business or related or HR related coursework or projects you have participated in, and also you should include all of the your skills in that resume properly. And nextly, you should be to do 3 months leave for the internship program, and depending upon the company's profile and also where you are applying the internship for. And next, actively connect with the LinkedIn and Indeed so that they may give the internship opportunities to become an intern in inSAKE Solutions. And nextly, develop some of the communication skills which are suitable for the HR as an HR for you, like communication skills, problem solving, team building, the leadership, and also working in a team, and also you should be good in your presentation skills as well. And also ensure that you have a bachelor diploma or a degree. Mostly HR internships require candidates to be pursuing a complete bachelor's degree in human resources, and also you should also have a somewhat experience in the human resource management, so that you will be readily able to understand how this work in an organization. And nextly, gain experience in some of the HR qualities, like in the college organizations that deal with HR matters, participate in HR related topics, projects, or part-time jobs in HR departments, even they are not internships initially. And during the internship at inSAKE Solutions, you should be professional during the internship, demonstrate professionalism and punctuality, and also always maintain positive attitude, show eagerness to learn. Remembering securing an HR internship is it may not like gaining the full job or qualification, but also it is like demonstrating your passion in HR field